Hey folks, you're looking for a camping table that's portable? I'm going to show you my favorite one from Amazon. It's the VILLEY brand. Super portable, it weighs about 9 pounds and it has the maximum weight of 100 pounds. So it comes in the bag like this. It has 2 sections with 2 zippers. Just open up. It comes with a frame, like such. And then it has the tabletop in the other pocket. Okay, so you'll put the bags away. So this is the tabletop we have, and the frame right there. Now, it's not too hard to put this together. So you just open up the frame. Just like that. And then the tabletop has 2 sides, right? It has the one side there with the hook like this, with the full circle, and then you have the other side like this with the like half circle right there. So you see these 2 knobs coming out. You just hook the full circle one first, and then you just snap in the half circle on the other side, and bam, you have a table. So this table is green. I think it comes with different colors. Pretty sturdy. We've done a whole bunch of camping or just going to the park that you need a table like anywhere in the park, and I'll use this. I'll just put food and drinks on a table, and then sometimes we have like a hot pot. We put cookware on top of the table and cook stuff with it. So the good thing about this table is super portable, right? We just set it up in like less than a minute. Super easy to set up, and then the kids love it because you see how low the table is right now. It's really low. So the kids can actually, use the table at their height. And the cool part of this too, you can also adjust the height of the table. So this leg right here, we unsnap it, you can pull it out like that. And that's the tallest we can have. We can make this table a little bit taller if you want to. Like that. And now I use this kind of height for working outside. If I have a really bad day at home working, then I will use this table, set it outside in the backyard, and I just work on this table like that with my camping chair. They're super nice and easy, pretty sturdy. The one thing I'm not a big fan of is the cracks. See, this table it has like the cracks, on the table. So that's the only complaints I have, to be honest. Because sometimes you want to play like card games, and the cards can actually slide into the cracks. I mean, that's the only complaint I have. But if you have a tablecloth that can cover it, then problem solved. Yeah, that's the only complaint I have. Otherwise, it's a pretty good table. I have the link for the table in the description. I believe they're on sale right now for like $79. To be honest, I think it's a little bit pricey for what it is, but I've been using this table for like a couple of years now, like 3 years, and I actually have 2 of these. So I mean, you can see the tabletop is not like super big, right? It's kind of like my I think like 1, 2, 3, maybe like 3 feet or so. You can see that in the description. But I have 2 of these, right? So I put them side by side, and then you can have like almost like a picnic table size surface that you can work with. So this is not bad. Okay, so I have the other table here. I can put it together, you know, show you guys like what it can be accomplished. This is pretty big, right? So you have 2 tables, and you can do it like this, or you can do it like sideways. So when you have a party at home, right, and then you don't have enough counter space to put all your food on, you can buy like 1 or 2 of these tables and put like utensils, you know, food along the line. It's kind of the buffet line. This is perfect for it. So right now we're gonna see how long does it take to disassemble this table. And it starts right now. Okay. So we're gonna unhook the part with the hook first. Half hoop. Alright. Take this out. Okay. And that's how you put it together, the tabletop. And the frame part, you do the leg first. Smack it. And bam. Okay, now we took it apart. Put that in the bag. Alright. Has been a minute now. Okay, now we're done. So it take about, I'll say, 1 minute and 10 seconds from fully assembled to fully disassembled and back in the bag. That's not too bad. If you like the table, they're doing a sale on Amazon right now for $79 for the table. Check it out and support the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribe. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.